Holy cow! I think there's a tornado coming. Hey, hold that. Can you see my rope? I'll try not to blow away. This is insane. I mean, right over there. I'm not understanding this. It's blue and white, and there's just all of this. You can see the wind. Oh, it won't show up on camera. You can see the wind coming across the grass where it's taller. Oh yeah, you can see that. Look at the bushes. What? I don't see one. If I see a funnel, I'll run back in the house. The way the weather's been acting though, it is like perfect combination for a tornado. So well, it's not blowing so hard now. That was weird. There for a while it was blowing super hard. Wonder why our light hadn't come on yet. You know, if you look over there, it looks decent. And then if you look up, it does not. While I'm out here, I guess I better go check the apple tree. It's so windy, an apple might fall on my head. I'd say we missed the apples this year. It's so dark I can't hardly see any of them. There's one right up there that looks like it might be halfway decent. But I don't know how to get to it. The apple tree is not big enough to really climb in, so maybe the wind will knock it down and I'll go get it. Well, it is starting to rain now, but the wind that was the wind that was there is not blowing so hard anymore. I just know it's gonna cut loose raining while I'm out here. But I'm still not walking. Huh? Oh yeah, I see it. I'll be right there. I know I'm gonna get soaked, I just don't care. Well, there's the wind. The wind is back. I should have known this would blow over. Probably don't have any business setting it back up. Oh yeah, you can see all the raindrops on the truck. You can see the rain coming across the field there. That's not fog, that's rain. raining, I can smell it, but it's not here. Like, it's not raining too hard just yet. You know, it's just kind of raining average. Pumpkin. It's not really raining, like, it's raining, but not a lot yet.
Hadn't come across the field yet.
No, not yet.
Is it blowing?
It was blowing super.
Oh yeah?
Not anymore though, just like for a while. Well, the rain's here. You can hear it on the roof. Yeah, it's raining pretty hard.
Yeah.
Look at the rain washing off the house.
I can't even see, man. I'm going right in your face.
Well, I can only partially see. It's a really big cloud is all it is.
You know, it's going to take a while to get to
Yeah? It might take a while.
you know, looks like it's raining harder.
Yeah, it does. Look at it blowing across the top of the barn. And down the sidewalk.
It's going all the way across the house.
Yeah,
You'll be soaked, you won't even know it.
I know.
Hey, you come in. Wait. Oh, God. Never mind.
Call me crazy. I am walking in the middle of the closest thing to a hurricane that Indiana will ever have. And I am absolutely sopping wet. And I've only been outside for like 5 minutes. And it's blowing really hard. Super hard. Wow. Hi. Feel my sleeves.
I can see it.
No, like I am.
Oh my gosh, you are drenched.
I was outside for 2 seconds and I got drenched. Oh, I don't want to stand in front of that thing. I'll get. Hey, Papa. Feel my shirt. I stood outside for a minute.
Oh, rain, look what you hear. Oop. Look, it says Walton,
Uh-huh.
serious
Oh, yes.
thunderstorm watch.
Yeah. Huh. Oh. Can you see? Even my hair's wet.
Well, it was raining pretty hard.
I bet I can wring out my sleeve.
I bet you can too. Whoops. Almost caught it.
I'm soaked.
Oh yeah, that's as wet as if I took it out of the machine.
It's as wet as if I put it on
Right out.
out of the washing machine before it went into the dryer. Could have stood in the shower and I would be drier than I was from standing outside. Like, comment, and subscribe for more.